he's a great fighter and he knows how to go to the body. He's landing shots early, and there's a shot. He's got a slim frame, but he does deliver power. Oh, that was a beautiful.
Matapos ang dalawang sunod-sunod na panalo dito sa Pinas, ay nabigyan ng pagkakataong makalaban sa bansang Australia itong Pinoy na si Glenn Enterina. Makakalaban niya ang rising prospect nila na may bordadong katawan na si Jacob Nang. Ang laban ay ginawa sa Southport, Australia noong March 16, 2019 at para ito sa bakanting IBF Youth Lightweight title na nakaschedule sa 10 rounds. Di basta-basta itong kalaban na si Nang dahil bukod sa Australian Lightweight Champion ito ay undefeated din ito at may record na 9 wins, 0 loss, 7 via knockout at halos 6 footer din, habang 14 wins, 4 losses, 1 draw, 9 via KO at 5-7 lang ang tangkad ng Pinoy. Bagamat dihado ang dayong Pinoy sa mata ng karamihan, ay di ito nakitaan ng takot sa mismong laban. Nakipagsabayan si Kabayan sa mas matangkad at undefeated na Australian. Sobrang ma-action ang naging laban ng dalawa. Parehong malakas at may pamatay na mga suntok, kaya naman pareho silang nakapuntos ng knockdown. Ating balikan ang maaksyong laban ng Pinoy na si Glenn Enterina kontra undefeated champion ng Australia na si Jacob Nang.
Glenn Enterina! Champion Jacob the Flamingo NG!
Touch him up. Back you go.
Main event, Nathan DiCarlo, IBF lightweight youth. Nathan, about the ring entry that all tragically died making weight. He said his ring entry, the whole crowd will go quiet.
Unang round pa lang palitan na agad ng mga kombinasyon. Parehong matapang at parehong gustong tapusin ng maaga ang bakbakan.
They're dangerous and they're tough and they always look to finish fights. They come with power punches, as we can see Glenn Enterina doing right here now. 9-0 with 7 KOs. He mixes them up. This is going to be a good MG. As this man is coming to fight, he's coming to Australia to take this title. Jacob NG, he knows what to do.
Patient here is NG. He's copping a lot of punishment here. Throws his punches.
I asked him about his game plan. He said he's going to use his footwork at the start of the fight. He's going to watch those wild punches. 4 rounds. It's going to be very dangerous for him because once he gets head off.
Pero sa mga huling segundo ng round 1 ay sunod-sunod na tinamaan si Kabayan ng mga kombinasyon at bagsak agad ito. Nakatayo naman agad ito sa bilang at na-save by the bell ang Pinoy. Umpisa pa lang ng round 2 ay ang Australiano naman ang tinamaan ng malademonyong kanan ng Pinoy. Bagsak ito at makikitang sobrang nahilo.
He's got a slim frame but he does deliver power. Oh! That was a beautiful right-hand shot, I believe.
Agad nagpaulan ng mga suntok ang Pinoy pero nagawa namang makirecover agad ng kalaban at nakatama pa ito ng mga solido.
He's in trouble here. He's looking to hold his ground. He's looking to stand up. Enterina, will he punch himself? It's going to take him about 30 to 40 seconds. He chooses to punch back.
Two and three good punches there from Jay.
Bang, here comes Jacob. What a main event we're watching. Jacob's landing shot. He's hurt Enterina.
Dinidilaan pa ang Pinoy na tila sinasabing kayang-kaya niya ang mga birada ni Kabayan.
He chooses to hold his ground. As always, Fury, Enterina wearing some shots. He's got him on the ropes. Woo!
What a one-minute of punches here from both boys.
Makes it a fight. Puncher, and he knows how to land. Bang, bang, bang. He's got to be careful of Enterina's big shots. Because this Filipino has come for war. Time. Wow.
Nagpatuloy ang maaksyong laban sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds. Parehong nagpapakawala ng mga pamatay na mga kombinasyon.
Doesn't he, Nathan? give this opponent that advantage. Jacob NG off the jab.
He can't be rushing in like he just did before. He got away with it that time, but he might not get away with it next time.
But we know him. He's a fighter. He's fought in Thailand. He's grown up fighting, and he loves it. He loves to mix it. He loves to fight. He's dangerous, Nathan.
Doesn't he put on a performance every time for the crowd? Jacob NG. And here comes NG back on.
Here comes Tina as well, looking for those big right hands, but he's wearing some. The body shot got in there from NG. He's got to be careful, like you said. That's where he wants him, in the corner. He's got to land those punches and be careful. He does possess power. He's swinging them in. But how? Need it from Mingo.
Oh, and a good right uppercut catches the attention there of Interina.
Here comes the Flamingo. And Tina's trying to stand strong. He's trying to say he's not hurt, but he's got to be feeling it as he chooses to punch back. Here comes the Flamingo. He's got him on the ropes now. He's firing left and right. And the Flamingo is coming.
Oh, and he gets it.
What are we going to see, Ned? What are we going to see?
This, I don't think we can see more than what we've
Nakuha ng Australiano dito ang distansya. Madalas na niyang masapul ng solido ang Pinoy na dayo. Kontrolado na din ng kalaban ang laban, habang ang Pinoy ay walang nagawa sa mga jab ng Australiano, kundi saluhin na lang ito. Wala masyadong head movement ang Pinoy, kaya dahan-dahan na lang nalamog si Kabayan.
Hand as well there from NG.
Beautiful right here, but Tina's tough, mid distance. Nice right here, another one. Left foot right to the body. Would have sparred hundreds and hundreds of rounds in the Philippines with tough fighters. Taking a lot of shots, but he's still there, and he's still dangerous. And he's wearing a lot. His attack is better than his defense. He's holding up so far. It's doing good. Beautiful uppercut. This is what this Filipino opponent possesses. Big left hook.
What a fight.
What kind of toughness in Torino. He's taken some big shots.
What's concerning me is the accumulation of the shots he's taking. Can you just make sure he's okay for me, please? Turn in, box.
The willingness to punch, the willingness to throw, Tina's showing. NG as well. Got NG in the corner now. NG moves out well. He's got the variation of punches, has NG. He's got uppercuts, he's got hooks, and he's got the good movement.
It seems as though NG's seen the punches a lot better now.
Beautiful. This is what he's got to do. Pick this heavy punching, flat-footed opponent off.
Come in. You tackle him.
As Flamingo starts this round like he did the others,
He's just starting the first round.
he looks like someone who spent his whole life growing up fighting. Thai boxing, kickboxing, boxing.
He hits him once, takes half a step back and comes back on. He's getting him every time. That's what he needs to do.
I tell you, Dave, I'm always scared when a fighter leads with a jab and leads with a right-hand uppercut. I'm always a bit worried, especially with a bomber. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Well, when you're leading with a right hand uppercut, all you defend.
Dito sa mga huling minuto ng round 6 ay bugbog sarado na ang Pinoy. Naawa na dito ang referee, kaya agad nang hininto ang laban para maiwasan ang mas malala pang kapahamakan.
The body. Here comes the Flamingo. He stopped the fight in the fifth round. Has pronounced it.
Panalo ang Australiano via 6th round TKO.
Jacob, the Flamingo, NG.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.